this is Anushka from Edugo Abroad. Welcome to our channel. As you can see on the screen, this is the topic of discussion we'll be having today. Now, with the help of our previous videos, you all must be aware with the benefits and perks of studying in France and its procedure, things to keep in mind while applying for visa and the campus transfer process. So today, I will be helping you guys with the process of scholarship application. We all know that the abroad studies becomes a burden on all of us and we must be having a thought of availing a scholarship. Well, today that's what I'm going to tell you about. While thinking of scholarship, these are the most common questions we have in mind and I will be answering for you guys today. The French institutes and French government offers various kinds of scholarships to not only its native students but also to its international students. The French institutes offer excellent scholarship which is based on the academic profile of the student and the interview that is taken for the admission process. The early bird scholarship is given to those students who have applied within a given timeline mentioned by the institute. Apart from that, because of good political relations, Indian students are offered various scholarship programs by the French government such as Chapak Scholarship, Le Grand Empowering Scholarship, Ambadamia Scholarship and Shikhar Scholarship. To know about the criteria and the benefits of the scholarship, you can contact us on the given information below. Now talking about where to apply, this is the website where we apply for scholarship, which is known as ifi.scholarship.ifindia.in, wherein you will be directed to this page. We will create an account. If you have a Google account, you can sign in with the same. If not, then you have to click on this option, wherein I will be selecting the name here. You fill in the email ID. You select the password, country, city, your mobile number. As this is a test, I am writing this. Select the birth date, select the ID, and the time zone. Then you submit. After submitting, you will be given this message from the website wherein you will have to verify your email. Once you go to your email ID, this is the email and here will be the link. Once you click the link, you will be directed to the same page wherein you will be given a message of verification. Like this. Once you receive this, you go to the same link. You enter your email ID and the password and log in to the page. Once you have logged in, this is the dashboard where you will be directed. Once you have logged in to your Campus Brands account, this will be the dashboard wherein we will select apply for a scholarship program. After that, we will have to mention that what are we pursuing, supposedly whichever degree you are, you select that and the subjects that you will be studying. For example, business management and economics. Now, generally the scholarships which will be available at the time of your application will be displayed on your dashboard. Let's say we will select the Le Grand Empowering Scholarship. We apply. you will be directed to the personal and academic details section, wherein you will have to fill in your details. Supposedly here I am filling in student, and I'm just selecting a random date for my birthday. You fill in the details as per your ID proof. Select the country, mobile number, highest academic degree that you have achieved. You upload your CV. You upload your passport, and you upload a profile picture. Once you have filled in and you save, this is the message that you will receive from the website. The same manner, this is for the guardian or the sponsorer. In our case, one of the parent. The ITR written should be the latest, which will be of last year. If you belong to an army family, you can choose yes. If not, then no. Here you will choose no, and here you have to fill in the monthly income and you save it. Details of the recent degree that you have achieved, which is your bachelor's degree. You select your institute from where you have pursued it. In my case, it is Nirma. Bachelor's. You name the program that you were enrolled. You select the stream, select the state, select the city, and you save it. Just one more thing, the sections which are not marked with a red star are not mandatory for the student to be filled. You select no over here and again no, and then you save it. About your previous stay in France, if you have visited France as a tourist, you have to select yes. You specify the purpose of your visit and the year that you visited in. If not, then no. Here you will select no. If you have studied even a semester outside, then you must select yes, the purpose, the city, and the year that you studied in. If not, then no, and then you save it. The French language proficiency. Those who know about French language, or at least have given an examination of the same, should select yes and select the latest level that you have given examination for and upload your certificate, both front and back. If not, then no. If you have studied in 10th standard, you can select yes over here and you specify the standard and the name of the school. If not, then no, and you save it. The source of hearing about this scholarship, it can be anything. In my case, it is internet, so I selected internet. Upload your 12th standard mark sheet. You select the year that you passed in, the board, the type of scoring that you have, the stream, the country, city, and upload your 12th standard mark sheet and save it. Lastly, your bachelor's degree again. The year of completion, the level is bachelor's, stream, name of the degree, type of scoring. We have CGPA, I have selected CGPA. If you have percentage, you can select percentage. the city, upload your degree certificate, and upload all your mark sheet. Save. If you have done a certified course or a distance learning course after your graduation, you can add it in the same manner by clicking add more qualification. Then you select next. Here you have to fill in the details of the program that you will be pursuing in France. Select the name of the school, supposedly Burgundy, name of the course that you will be studying, the stream and the subject, say management studies, the region that you will be studying in. Now I would like to just add one more thing here. The name of the regions mentioned here are in French. So I would suggest that before applying, you must learn what your region is called in French so that it is easy for you to select over here. You select the city that you will be studying in and the medium of instruction, the starting date of your program, which will be mentioned on the final admission letter that is given to you after you have confirmed your admission. The start date and end date, fill it and then you save it. Name of the contact person. It can also be the person who has taken your interview for the admission process. Fill in the details and you save it. And your application status. If it is confirmed, you upload the admission letter that you have received. If it is in process, you select awaited and you upload the proof of the same. It can be an email as well. You save it and you go to the next section. Here you choose yes for your recommendation letter. And you upload them. Now talking about these questions, these are the questions wherein you have to mention that why are you choosing France and how this scholarship is going to help you achieve your goals. You put in the answer. Make sure that your answer is in accordance with the question asked and it is within the word limit mentioned. Here I have just taken a random answer to explain you guys. In the same manner, the last question. You agree and you submit the file. After submitting, you will be given an option to go back and review your application in case you have missed a detail or not, so that you can rectify them. If not, you can just submit it, wherein you will be directed to your dashboard, wherein you will be given this information that your application has been submitted, and you can download the PDF for the same, where you can see your application. So that was all, guys. For further details and queries, you can contact us on the given information below. Thank you.